And here's our read stuff.
Okay. What's the place called?
It's called Broncos.
Oh, I guess they're fall.
No,
See?
I don't think so.
It's like a mustache. A Lorax. I was thinking that Super Mario, that the yellow one, that's like the evil one. What's
Wario?
Wario?
Oh!
I think the bad guy in Sonic. I don't want to say it. Do you know who that is?
No.
The bad guy in Sonic.
Now Marlene's here. Oh my gosh, it does the flash like right away.
Is this Vlogmas?
This is Vlogmas. Riza's still finishing hers. Marlene just started. Our scraps. My pretty girls. So wreaths and wine, but it was really wreaths and tequila was a success. Let me show you my wreath. Let me pick it up and show you another light. Actually, cute. This is Marlene's. Super cute, very like wintry. Love. I didn't get an individual, all the girls, but this one's mine. I did like little pearls, and then we each gave each other, picked a little bird for each other so that we had something the same in all of our wreaths. I thought that would be really thoughtful, and hid it in our wreaths. So it was really fun. All the girls loved it. So I highly recommend. 10 out of 10. Events. We are going out this weekend. There's Marlene and Kike in the vlog, guys. And there's Guillermo. He's gonna be driving us. We're gonna have a fun night. After last night's shenanigans, we went out dancing. I'm very sleepy and tired. So tonight we're having Domino's pizza, pan pizza, and I'm doing linguine pesto. So good. This guy making himself an old fashioned. We're using rum instead. Forgot that I had gotten the cherries for it, so he added the cherry to his old fashioned. Hello, it's Monday. I just finished a yoga and I need to eat something. And so after that, I am gonna go for a walk actually. It's pretty gloomy outside, but I want to get some fresh air and some steps in and finish a book that I'm about to be done with and start a new one. I have my Christmas work dinner tonight, so I'll get ready for that and maybe wear one of the Shein pieces that I tried on. But yeah, those are the little plans for today. Should be fun and very yummy. It's gonna be Italian and I'm very excited about that. A success story, leaving Target with nothing because I just went to return something. It's gonna be a great day. Tonight I'm wearing my one little wheat chain because I just wanted a little bit of sparkle on the neck. I'm also wearing the chunky knit sweater from the Shein haul that I did, and then I just have like a dress underneath with some red in it, and so I put that red bow in my hair to kind of tie it all together. But I'm ready to go and ready to eat. This bow on my drive home that I'm obsessed with, so if I could just put this on top of my house, I'll be in Christmas spirit every holiday. Let me show you. I mean, how cute is she? I think that would be the only decorations I would need for Christmas on my house. So I'm downstairs doing laundry and I forgot my other bag, my other laundry bag, and it's raining and I don't want to go back upstairs to get my other one. So I have my bag here and my other load here. See you upstairs. That's 3 loads. One trip. Whoop, you're in trouble.
Neighboring houses do know each other now. Leave me. Should I give a message?
Currently making the French dip. I've cut all the onions, as you can tell. Crying. My man's back there. Here's the meat. I already seasoned with salt, pepper, olive oil. It's a tri-tip. Started the onions. So it's white and red onions. So 4 onions total. Worcestershire, salt, red wine. Oh my gosh. And it's just gonna reduce. And garlic roasting in my little toaster for like almost an hour, he said, but we'll see how it goes. So it gets like nice and soft to squeeze into the sauce. Also, got this wine from Costco because I'm a member now, if you didn't recall. It's a Sauvignon Blanc, which I don't normally get, but anyways, it's this one. And Guillermo and I pleasantly surprised. So, what would you give it?
8.
Yeah, I would say that. 8 out of 10. We recommend. 2 hours later, still at the stove. Here is our tri-tip resting. Our au jus reducing. And our reduced onion. And then this is the horseradish, roasted garlic, mayo, aioli. And our breads in the oven. Okay, we're gonna assemble after we've melted the cheese. We already applied the aioli to one side. And the meat, then we just chop it. Bring it over. With our au jus, and we'll dip it. Voila. Dip it. What would you rate the sandwich?
Oh, that's a 10.
It's a 10, you guys.
We get another one.
Whoa. It's worth the wait. Right now we're eating, and what time is it? 8.
9 o'clock.
Almost 9. So pretty late. So I would say if you wanted to make something like this, start making it around 3 o'clock. Maybe even 4. We're about to finish Love Actually. But, so good. Oh my god. And actually, I'm going to end the vlog here. And then we'll start next week's. Bye.